Well, hello everyone and welcome to this WordPress.com review. Is it still the go-to website platform? Well, in this review, we'll be talking about the features, the pricing, the pros and the cons, and at the end, you'll be more informed on WordPress.com. Now, WordPress.com as a platform has evolved from a simple blogging tool to a powerhouse for building all kinds of websites. Whether you're looking to create a personal blog, a business site, or even an online store, WordPress.com offers a range of options to fit your needs. We have the link to WordPress in the description so you can get a head start. And starting with the features, WordPress.com boasts a ton of features, making it a versatile choice for website creation. You have customizable templates. You get to choose from a wide selection of over 360 themes, allowing you to create a unique look for your site. It also has a blog-based editor where it offers robust customization options, letting you easily design pages with a drag and drop interface. Then you have a plugin ecosystem. You get to expand your site's functionality with a vast array of plugins perfect for adding features like contact forms, SEO tools, and more. Then you have store builder features. Now, if you're in the US or Canada and on a business plan or higher, you can access tools to build an online store. SEO tools. You have built-in tools to help you optimize your site for search engines and improve your visibility. Marketing and analytics. There are tools for branding, traffic measurement, and social media sharing to help you grow your audience. And now to the pricing. WordPress offers several pricing plans to cater to different needs. You have the free plan, and this is a basic plan with limited features suitable for personal blogs. Then you have the personal starting at $4 per month, and this plan removes ads and includes a free domain for 1 year. The premium comes at $8 per month. You get more storage, premium themes, and customization options. The business comes at $25 per month, and this plan unlocks plugins, advanced SEO tools, and this is ideal for small businesses. If you're into e-commerce, you'll be paying $45 per month, and this plan provides a full e-commerce functionality perfect for online stores. Now here's our recommendation. If you're a user looking to build a professional website, the business plan offers the best value with its plugin support and SEO tools. And with any service, would like to let you know about the pros and the cons. On the bright side, you have blogging features, extensive plugin ecosystem, a wide selection of customizable themes, excellent security and maintenance handled by WordPress.com, and a large community for support and resources. On the flip side, you have limited storage on free and lower tier plans, steep learning curve for beginners, and plugin support is limited to higher tier plans. In conclusion, WordPress is a powerful platform with a lot to offer. Its flexibility and extensive features makes it a strong contender for anyone looking to build a website. However, the best plan for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. So if you're ready to take the next step and explore WordPress.com, you can check out the link in the description below to get started on a plan. Don't forget to let us know in the comments if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.